If you're looking for a way to mute accounts on Instagram, look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to do just that in a few simple steps. So if you're tired of seeing certain users' posts or stories in your feed, or just want to take a break from them, make sure to watch this video until the very end. To get started, first open up your Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on Following, and it will show you all of the people that you follow on Instagram. And then find the account that you want to mute. After that, tap on these three dots right next to where it says Following. And it will show you two options. So if you want to mute someone on Instagram, simply tap on Mute. And now you can choose to mute their posts or stories, or you can mute both posts and stories, which will completely mute them. So in order to do that, simply tap on this. Now you won't see posts or stories from this person, but you can still go over to their profile and, since you didn't block them, they can still view your profile and watch your stories and like your posts and stuff. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.